Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your tablet runs a recent OS and has enough free space. That avoids mid-install failures. Next, open Chrome and sign into your Google account so sync and extensions will link. Once done, tap the three-dot menu and enable Desktop Site. This gives you the browser interface needed to access extension pages. Make sure Chrome is updated. Outdated builds block installation. Now you're ready to find and request the specific extension you want. You now locate the extension in the Chrome Web Store while still in desktop mode. Search by exact name to avoid clones. Once on the extension page, read permissions and reviews so you know what data it accesses and whether it's trustworthy. Make sure to tap Add to Chrome only when comfortable. Confirm any permission dialogues that appear. If Add to Chrome is grayed out, switch to another browser like Kiwi that supports extensions. This keeps the process moving. You finish by tapping Add to Chrome and accepting required permissions. Once installed, open the Extensions menu to enable and configure options. Pin the extension to the toolbar for easy access and test its functionality on a page to confirm it runs. If the extension doesn't work, restart Chrome and the tablet, then clear browser cache. Make sure you're in desktop mode and signed into the same Google account. One key tip: if Chrome won't install it, use a Chromium-based browser that allows extensions as an alternative.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.